Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Realme GT6. Begin by launching Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then click on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Now tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of Samsung. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Realme. Also on Samsung, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files that you wish to send. I will go with only a couple, just for example. Then click on Send next to Selected at the bottom and choose Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now it's time to decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and hit Receive. If you want to scan the QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!